climate change problem is common worldwide. To address this issue, a workshop was organized in Bhopal on Monday regarding climate change. The theme of the workshop was knowledge sharing on COP27 and beyond. Importance and key learning to discuss the key issues raised of climate change in COP27 held in Egypt in November last year. Along with this, an MOU was signed between WRI India and EPCO in the workshop. Leading academic institution and subject experts from Bhopal participated in the workshop.
Because they are engaged in this research work related to how we can have sustainable development. So we will collaborate with them, and then because we are the front runners when the field of government, and they are knowledge partners.
The workshop was attended by Dr. Richika Singh, Director Sustainable Landscape and Restoration Program, World Resources Institution India; Ulka Kelkar, Director Climate Program, WRI India; Sabruto Chakraborty, Senior Manager Climate Program, WRI India; and Harjeet Singh, Head Global Political Strategy, joined in. Along with him, EPCO Executive Director Mujibur Rahman Khan was also present here. Sabruto Chakraborty spoke on the main points of COP27. Along with this, he also told about Article 6.2 of the Paris Agreement. Harjeet Singh, Head of Global Political Strategy and keynote speaker of the workshop, spoke on the topic Loss and Damage Fund and how India can use any compensation to improve climate change. He said that there is a possibility of more impact of climate change in Madhya Pradesh. This will be a big challenge in agriculture, water resources, tourism and energy sector. With the politics that are currently in place, we need technical and financial resources. Apart from this, it is also necessary to increase local level solutions and make policies according to the environment. To overcome the losses and damages caused by climate change, we have to increase human capacity.
So the reality is that these climate conferences such as COP27 did not really respond to what people are facing on ground. The fact is that people are already being impacted by many such climate disasters such as storms and floods, drought and even sea level rise. But the discussions at COP27 have just begun on how to deal with such losses and damages.
The session concluded on the note that indeed climate change is endangering the world right now with increasing world temperature and global politics, but it can be tackled by joint efforts worldwide, which is also the main aim of conference of parties. Bureau Report, Lake City Live, Bhopal.